안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
한국어 선생님 장현욱이에요.
Gerhard예요. Today we're going to discuss an important aspect of Korean conversation that can sometimes be confusing for learners.
While we've already learned how to say yes, 네, and no, 아니요 in Korean, there's a subtle difference in how they are used compared to English.
Let's start with a simple example.
사과가 있어요?
Do you have an apple?
네, 사과가 있어요.
Yes, I have an apple.
And the negative response. 사과가 있어요?
Do you have an apple?
아니요, 사과가 없어요.
No, I don't have an apple. In these examples, the usage of ne and 아니요 aligns with how we would respond in English. However, when the question itself is negative, the usage of ne and 아니요 differs from English.
사과가 없어요?
Don't you have an apple? Is there no apple?
네, 사과가 없어요.
Yes, I don't have an apple. Literally, yes, there is no apple.
아니요, 사과가 있어요.
No, I have an apple. Literally, no, there is an apple. In Korean, ne confirms the statement made in the question, while 아니요 contradicts it.
So if someone asks a negative question like 사과가 없어요? And you don't have an apple, you would say 네, agreeing with the negative statement. 고양이가 없어요?
Don't you have a cat? Or, is there no cat?
네, 고양이가 없어요.
Yes, I don't have a cat. Literally, yes, there is no cat. In English, we would say, no, I don't have a cat. In Korean, we say, yes, there is no cat.
아니요, 고양이가 있어요.
No, I have a cat. Literally, no, there is a cat. In English, we would say, yes, I do have a cat. Notice how ne and 아니요 in Korean are used to either confirm or contradict the negative question. In English, you might say no to confirm the negative. But in Korean, you would say 네, yes. Let's look at some more examples. In our last two examples, we used to have, there is, and to not have, there is not. 있다, 없다, to ask the question. Let's now use the regular negation we learned in lesson number 14 to ask another negative question.
밥을 안 먹어요?
Aren't you eating rice? Or, you don't eat rice?
네, 밥을 안 먹어요.
Yes, I'm not eating rice.
아니요, 밥을 먹어요.
No, I am eating rice. In this example, the question was whether someone does not eat or does not eat rice. 네 confirms the negative action and 아니요 contradicts it. If this person does not eat, they must answer with yes. Yes, I don't eat. In English, we would say, no, I don't eat. To say that you're eating, you would have to say, no, I am eating. Now let's ask again with the second negation we already know, the one we learned in the last lesson. Remember, 지않다 has the exact same meaning as an, but while an is placed in front of the verb or adjective, 지않다 is conjugated and attached to a verb or adjective stem.
피곤하지 않아요?
Aren't you tired?
네, 피곤하지 않아요.
Yes, I am not tired.
아니요, 피곤해요.
No, I am tired.
Again, 네 confirms the negative and 아니요 indicates the opposite.
The key is to focus on whether you are agreeing or disagreeing with the statement in the question. If the statement is correct, use 네. If the statement is incorrect, use 아니요.
So when someone asks a negative question and the negative statement is true for you, you say 네.
Let's now see how this works with a desire or a wish.
소주를 마시고 싶지 않아요?
Don't you want to drink soju?
네, 마시고 싶지 않아요.
Yes, I don't want to drink soju.
아니요, 마시고 싶어요.
No, I want to drink soju. Here, 네 confirms that you don't want to drink soju, and 아니요 contradicts the negative, meaning you do want to drink soju. You're saying no, but you're saying you do want to drink soju. This usage can be confusing for learners because it's different from how we respond in English.
Korean language learners and even overseas Koreans can sometimes misunderstand or be confused by this. 게르하드 씨,
네.
요즘 바쁘지 않아요?
네, 바쁘지 않아요. 오늘 운동을 안 해요?
네, 오늘은 운동하고 싶지 않아요. 게르하드 씨는 소주를 안 마셔요?
네, 소주를 안 마셔요. 소주를 좋아하지 않아요. 수인 씨는 오늘 소주가 마시고 싶지 않아요?
아니요, 마시고 싶어요. 가방 안에 연필이 없어요?
아니요, 있어요. Also, you might have noticed that Koreans use 네 in various contexts beyond just saying yes. Number 1, active listening. When listening to someone's story, you might say,
아, 네.
to show you're engaged. Number 2, expressing surprise or realization.
네? 네?
What? Pardon me? You can use 네 when you didn't hear someone properly or are surprised.
네? 게르하드 씨, 네?
Number 3, as a filler word.
아, 네. 아, 네.
Similar to ah, oh, or I see in English.
So, 네 is a versatile word used in many situations.
And that's it for today.
그럼 다음에 또 봐요. 고맙습니다. 안녕히 계세요.
안녕히 계세요.